Hi, it's Sandra, and today is the day that I pick a winner for my August giveaway. And real quick, if you don't remember what the plates were, they were M437. The next one is M144, and an Uber Chic plate that is called Tropic Like It's Hot. All right, let's go. I'm going to put this in a little bit closer. Here we go. Okay, and the winner of my August giveaway is Brenda Lowry 5676. So Brenda Lowry 5676. So Brenda, congratulations to you. And all you need to do is send me your address at my email address, and that is nailstampology@gmail.com. And then as soon as I get your address, I will pop these 3 plates in the mail and you'll get your plates. Thanks for watching, everybody, and congratulations to Brenda. I hope you enjoyed this video.